like I told you guys when the first time I met all of y'all when you came to speak about the brand, for me, I feel very closely attached to Philips, primarily because before I became an actor or a known quantity in the eyes of the public, I was a consumer. I was a Philips consumer. I bought my first trimmer, which was a Philips trimmer, at the age of 15, and it wasn't because of any endorsement or anything. I went to a shop where, as a consumer, I went to purchase it, and the shopkeeper recommended Philips is the best in the business. And that's where my journey with Philips started a long time ago, before you guys came into my life and I became an actor. So it feels sort of, मैं तो 10-15 सालों से Philips से attached हूँ. You guys just realized it now, unfortunately. So I'm very, very happy. It's surreal for me. I always wanted to affiliate with the brand. And I'm very, very happy that it's happened. Also because I'm kind of, बैठ जाइए sir. Thank you. I'm kind of known for my facial hair, so it's a beautiful amalgamation. It's the love story of a lifetime that's finally coming together for me.
That's nice to hear, basically.
Yes, absolutely. So what do you think when you look around yourself, what is the kind of style that you see around yourself, and how do you see really leading that and defining that?
Style for myself, per se? Yeah, for me, it's always been about comfort. I don't like to make too much of an effort beyond the point to get ready. So I think that's where the stubble also came into my life, because I didn't have the patience beyond the point to keep shaving all the time. And a trimmer comes in really handy. You can carry it around all the time, even if you're traveling. So it kind of started with that. I'm more about comfort, also about taking care of your skin. That's another thing that mattered to me, because I wanted to be an actor back then also, and it's continued so far. So for me, the stubble is something that can be cool. You can look a little older. You can still be a young guy in the way you think, the way you communicate, but you can have a sense of maturity with the way you look. I know all the time to look like you're serious about business.
Absolutely.
You can mean business even if you have a slight stubble on you. So it's changing, and I'm glad to be one of the younger guys who's helping the evolution in our country.
So you like that macho and the boyish look, that's what you're saying.
It is.
So you're 16 still, and then but still give the macho.
I wish I was 16 still. Life would be so much simpler. I don't know if 16 साल में इतनी तो नहीं आती थी. But yeah, when you're young, you know, the thing is, we all want a beard when we are young. And then suddenly we get older and we're like, but now the thing is, if you trim it right, if you maintain a stubble, it doesn't look like you've grown old. It just looks cooler. It doesn't necessarily mean that, अरे इसकी उम्र ज़्यादा हो गई इसलिए दाढ़ी उगाई है. You can have a very cool stubble. You can stylize it. You can keep it in different ways. So it's changing. Yeah, the thought process is changing. देखिए जैसे हमारे सर जिनको मैं हमेशा मिलता हूँ, देखिए उन्होंने कितनी अच्छी सफेद दाढ़ी उगा के रखी है. So and he's so young. So it's changing. Yeah. I think it's nice. The fact that you don't have to now be clean shaven to be taken seriously as a professional. I think it's really cool.
What's the effect it has on people around you?
What's the effect my stubble has? Apparently, it's pretty decent there, because the women seem to react fine to it. So I think that myth is broken.
Yes.
That women only like clean-shaven men. I think that myth, I'm alive evidence for that. And I've never heard anybody complain कि चुपती है.
You heard that.
जी मैम, मुझे मेरी खुद की स्टबल कैसे चुप सकती है? नहीं, किसी ने ये नहीं कहा कि नहीं दाढ़ी निकाल दो चुपती है. नहीं, ये आज तक नहीं हुआ है. कब का? सॉरी सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही. कब कहा? आपको क्या लगता है? आप बताइए. जी सर, जी बिल्कुल. It's actually one of the best features about Philips. अगर आप notice करें तो they support the fact that your skin should also remain smooth. मुझे ये चीज बहुत पसंद आई, because मैं professional actor हूँ. Skin matters a lot. हमारे थोबड़े के tight close-up लिए जाते हैं, तो you can't afford to have a bad-looking skin either. And this supports your skin. It makes sure that your skin is not turned hard. कभी-कभी शेव करने से दाढ़ी मतलब स्किन बहुत कड़क हो जाती है. This is one of the newer trimmers that brings about softness to the skin. It maintains that. Yeah. So Philips that's why the right choice for me, at least where my trimmer is concerned. I think every man is concerned about the way he looks. We just don't like to show that we care. At least in our generation, we all like to look good. Yeah? You look good, you feel good. There's a certain confidence. I think we are all closet metrosexual men. आप भी जब निकलते हैं मिरर में तो देख के जाते होंगे ना आज ठीक लग रहा हूँ नहीं अच्छा आप मिरर देखते ही नहीं है देख लीजिए आप काफी गुड लुकिंग है नो I'm चलिए let's all jokes apart. I think हम सब चाहते हैं कि we maintain hygiene. It's not only about looking good. Skin पे cuts होना या rash होना ये सब अच्छी चीजें नहीं है. I think it's a put off. Even if you go for a business meeting and you're well styled, well groomed, it makes a difference. You look confident, you look comfortable within yourself as a person. And all those are important messages that you translate when you do board meetings or even if you do an interview. आप अगर मेरे सामने आके बैठेंगे और आपके स्किन पे रैश है तो आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस में आपको लगेगा नहीं यार just that much. It doesn't always have to do with you being a metrosexual boy or being vain कि मैं कैसे दिख रहा हूँ. It's about just maintaining a certain hygiene. So clearly we've opened the...
Exactly, the Q&A opened before we scheduled it. But it's time we moved to a more interesting part of this event. And,
which is me trimming
yes.
your hair?
No, not quite. So it's something that actually you may want to talk about, which is something that we are going to colleges for.
Yes, the youth, the most important spectrum of our country now.
Yes.
I think it's pretty evident now that we as a generation believe that we don't need to always be clean shaven. And you can be well groomed and hygienic at the same time. And women do find it attractive that if you have a stubble, it's not that they're averse to it. At least that facade is going away from the imagery in women's mind also. They don't mind a stubble. So I think the youth is a prime example. So let's bring on some youth from the colleges that we have sent our people to find them. I think I can see there are 5 of them right here. I can see them. So let's get them up on stage.
Great. Let's